I remember back when we were the company sitting in the corner of the shipping and receiving department furiously scribbling down an invoice, and I'd look over and I'd see some of the larger companies that would have their devices. I'd be a little envious that they were just scanning their barcodes and printing it from a printer that was sitting on their belt, and now I can actually see the looks from the other drivers who are in the same boat that we were just 5 months ago. This is the Santa Cruz Pasta Factory. We're a small family-run manufacturer of fresh pasta, raviolis, and sauces. We deliver to grocery stores around the Bay Area. We started off with just standard invoices, and we would write the product on there and write the price with the potential to do an invoice and a credit on each of those deliveries. That paperwork really starts to add up. I still had the capacity to grow in my business, but what was limiting us was the logistics of the invoicing and the time we were spending in the stores. We had to do something. I first started becoming interested in some other system just by looking at other drivers out there. And so I started asking around, hey, what kind of device do you have? What do you know about that? And Intermec kept on coming up. Intermec put me in touch with a business partner of theirs, MSA Systems, who develops software specific to what we're doing out there in the stores, a direct delivery system. I saw a lot of capabilities that the CN50 has. We create the invoices, we create the credits, we print out the invoices for the stores. We also use the CN50 to download into QuickBooks so that all the invoicing is done automatically. The printer speed is phenomenal. It doesn't take any time at all to print out an invoice. We're talking 2 to 3 seconds. It has definitely made our routes and our jobs easier. Taking inventory and creating the invoice went from 20 to 25 minutes down to 5 minutes at the most. That means that our drivers are able to do 3 to 4 more stores in the same period of time. So I don't have to hire another driver, I don't have to buy another van. The invoices that we used to use were 18 cents a piece. Now that has gone down to fractions of a penny. It took our bookkeeper 6 to 8 hours a week to enter in all of these handwritten invoices. That's gone down to 0.
Now I receive a stack about like this of the little pieces of paper, and I just have to sort them and file them.
She's able to focus on other aspects of the business. Another cost savings is the addition errors that were happening.
We're able to enter all the items and it does the math for you. Anything that involves less math at 5-something in the morning is great.
We were losing anywhere from $250 to $500 a month. Now those errors are, by definition, they're 0. The Intermec device is billing for exactly what we are delivering. The image that this professional device gives our company in the presence of our customers is huge, and that pays off from day one. And it also gives us the ability to grow. We literally could not add another store with the invoicing system that we had. I'd absolutely recommend Intermec and MSA. The devices have worked as promised. They're easier and better than what I had thought would be. MSA has done a great job providing the software that we need in the Pasta Factory.